వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ను సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోండి. 5 ఏళ్లలోపు చిన్నారుల తల్లులకు చేపట్టిన వ్యాక్సినేషన్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని పర్యవేక్షించిన నగర కమిషనర్ విశ్వనాథ్. రాజకీయాలకు అతీతంగా తిరుపతి పుణ్యక్షేత్రంలో మత్తు పదార్థాల విక్రయాలను అడ్డుకోవడానికి అందరూ కలిసి రావాలి. తిరుపతి ఎమ్మెల్యే భూమన కరుణాకర్ రెడ్డి విజ్ఞప్తి. పేరుతో అంగన్వాడీ కేంద్రాలను నిర్వీర్యం చేయడానికి చేస్తున్న చర్యలు శోచనీయం. అంగన్వాడీ వర్కర్ల ఆవేదన. వార్తల్లోని వివరాలు. కోవిడ్ నియంత్రణలో భాగంగా అంతర్రాష్ట్ర సరిహద్దులుగా ఉన్న మండలాల్లో టాస్క్ ఫోర్స్ బృందాలు ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి జిల్లాకు
For weekend exam, complete halo alkanes and complete haloarenes. Complete chapter.
Okay, sir.
At least I hope that this time we should do a good job. So let us try to see some model questions. We started this job sometime back. I have stored some questions. Yesterday, I wanted you to take screenshots. I wanted you to try those questions. Have you tried? And I expect you to ask me doubts in that. I really expect you to ask doubts in that. Not this. Yesterday, I have shared some screenshots. Where did I put them? I forgot. Okay, I think I kept them in my notes. Yes. Sir, in these questions, you have any doubts, sir? Here we are discussing a very important point yesterday. Tertiary butyl bromide. Let us just see that. Sir, this is very, very important, sir. I want you to kindly pay attention. Very, very important. You have this compound, tertiary butyl bromide, and you are reacting it with a powerful base, sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide is a powerful base. When a powerful base reacts with any alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide especially, the powerful base, the CH3O minus, will be very bulky. It will very quickly take away H plus from one of the terminal carbons. So what happens is, the terminal carbon which has 3 hydrogens, all are terminal only. This is your tertiary butyl bromide is. Normally we expect if I am putting OH minus will come and replace the Br minus. Then you will be getting this type of reaction. This methyl, here OH is coming. This type of reaction where Br minus is replaced by OH minus is called what type of reaction, sir? Hello, what type of reaction? Substitution. Normally that's what we expect. Normally we expect substitution if there is a nucleophile. No doubt here you have a nucleophile. What is a nucleophile in sodium methoxide? OCH3 minus. The OCH3 minus is a big group and it will not take botheration to come and replace Br minus. All this nonsense it won't do. What it will do is, it will take up a H plus from some available position. Okay. So this fellow has no time to search where his wife is. Simply he will pick up some lady who is very close and take a van get out. CH3O minus is taking H plus and going out as methanol. It is a powerful base, it wants H plus. Now what happens? It is not searching for C plus. It is not identifying C plus and attack because difficulty Br is big, methyl groups are big, no space. Instead of searching for C plus, our methoxide will take away nearly available H plus. As a result, you know what you get? When H plus is removed from this side, this is removed. When H plus has gone out, now this carbon will get minus charge. What charge, sir? Why carbon got minus charge, sir? Because methoxide. Okay, sir. What you have done is you added CH3O minus Na plus sodium methoxide. Because the sodium alkoxides are powerful bases, it could readily take the H plus which was there earlier. Here there was H plus. Here there was actually hydrogen. This hydrogen it has taken as H plus. And you got this. When the H plus has gone, the minus charge is there on the carbon. Now this carbon, what it will do is, very quickly in a hurry, the negative charge it can't take, so it will split here. It will become a double bond. When it becomes a double bond, kick out. The Br minus goes out. Br is going as minus. Now the minus charge became a double bond. So what happens, sir, here? You got a double bond. Minus charge. What is the name of this compound, sir? Sir, this compound I am writing like this. CH3 in one end. This is the CH3. This is C double bond CH2. This is another method. What is this, sir? 2-methyl propionol isobutene. What is that? Ladies and gentlemen, if the base is very bulky, if the base is very powerful, if the temperature is high, substitution will not happen. You will not be replacing Br minus with some Y minus. In fact, elimination happens. You get a product with a double bond. When elimination forms either at high temperature or when the base is bulky. Or when the base is very, very powerful. Who are powerful bases? Powerful bases are sodium methoxide, tertiary butoxide. It can be written as C4H9ONA. It is called as sodium tertiary butoxide. Any alkoxide, all alkoxides are powerful bases. Generally, powerful bases encourage elimination product, especially from tertiary alkali. Are we very clear, sir? Tertiary alkali halides always prefer to give alkanes. If it is a primary alkali halide, it will not be much interested to give alkane. Tertiary alkali halides are interested to give alkane. Are we very clean about it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt. I have a compound like now what happens, sir? Who will undergo elimination, sir? This is a very powerful base, sir. It is also a bulky base, sir. But unfortunately, it is a primary alkali. Primary alkyl halide is interested in what, sir? Hello.
Substitution.
I like it. Primary, alkyl, halides are interested in what? Substitution. Unless you put alcohol and unless you heat. If you put alcoholic KOH, it also undergo elimination. Normally, simply you are putting some sodium butoxide, some aqueous NaOH. It's okay. It prefers substitution. So now what happens, sir? Let me write again. CH3, 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 sodium tertiary butoxide. You are adding ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide, it is interested to replace the Br minus with any other minus. What is the minus here? Hello, sir. What is the minus here?
ONA.
Na is plus. It's always Na is plus. CH3CC, it is called tertiary butoxide anion. What is it called? Tertiary butoxide. Sir, if
Yeah.
you are taking CH3ONA, what is minus, sir? Methoxide. If you take CH3CH2ONA, what is minus answer? Methoxide. Sodium is on plus. Sir, if you take NaOH, what is minus, sir? Hello.
OH.
Are we getting an idea? If I take NaSH, sodium hydrogen sulfide, what is minus, sir?
Hydrogen
Hello.
sulfide.
Are we very clear about it? Whenever
Yes,
I
sir.
take a primary alkyl halide, primary alkyl halide, if I don't add alcohol and strongly heat, it prefers substitution. If I am adding alcohol and strongly heating, it also undergo elimination to give double bond. But primary alkyl halide, if I am adding any other base in aqueous solution, prefers substitution. Here the nucleophile is tertiary butoxide. So what can I expect, sir? What product I can expect, sir? The product I can expect is CH3, CH2. Br minus is replaced by what, sir? O, CH3, CH3, CH3. What is this compound, sir? Sir, if HOH is there, what is this compound, sir? What is this?
Water.
If one of the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, what is this, sir?
Alcohol.
If the second hydrogen is also replaced by another alkyl group, what is it, sir?
Sir, ether.
Ether.
So this ether is called methoxymethyl. Now this is also ether, sir. It is called ethoxy.
Ether.
Ethyl tertiary butyl ether. One name, dimethyl ether. Ethyl tertiary butyl ether. Or other name is 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl 2-methoxy propane. I will write again. CH3CH2O. It has so many names. One common name is tertiary butyl ethyl ether. IUPAC name is, you count from one end to the other end in the longest carbon chain. It is propane. On the second carbon, there is a methyl group and also there is a methyl. So I call it as 2-methoxy, 2-methyl. So what is this compound, sir? Tertiary butyl ethyl ether or 2-methoxy, 2-methyl. Are you very clear, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Two ethoxy, sorry. two carbons are there.
Sir, 2 ethoxy, sir. You are right, sir. You are right, sir. I am sorry. It is ethoxy. I am sorry. 2 ethoxy. 2 methyl. You are, sir. If I take CH3, CH3, Br, and add sodium ethoxide, what I get, sir? Can you see it, sir?
Sir.
Tertiary alkyl halide, whenever reacts with a bulky base, gives elimination product. What is the product? Hello, nobody is talking, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Always the terminal hydrogen is taken away by O minus because the base will take away H plus from easy position of the methyl group. Then the negative charge comes here as a double bond, Br minus goes, you get the alkene. Always tertiary alkyl halides give alkenes when they react with sodium alkoxides. This is a very, very important message, sir. See, the same thing, you can take a tertiary alkyl halide, react with sodium alkoxide. Same thing, you change X here, sodium here. You take sodium tertiary butoxide, react with alkyl halide. In this case, you get elimination product. In this case, you get substitution. Here it is SN, here it is elimination. Elimination means you get alkene. Substitution means here the Cl minus is replaced by minus. It is ether. It is alkane. Ladies and gentlemen, compounds where carbon is directly linked to halogen are alkyl halides. Whenever a tertiary alkyl halide reacts with a bulky base, whenever it reacts with an alcoholic base, whenever it reacts at a high temperature, the tertiary alkyl halide will lose HX and give alkane. It will lose X from the carbon where it is bonded and hydrogen from the next carbon, beta carbon, so that you get a double bond. So when a tertiary alkyl halide under the elimination, 3 conditions: high temperature, alcoholic KOH, or a bulky base. Always tertiary alkyl halide prefers elimination. If it is a primary alkyl halide, if the temperature is low, if the base is simple with water, then there will be substitution. When sodium tertiary butoxide is reacting with alkyl halide is primary. This is a very bulky base. No problem, because primary alkyl halides prefer substitution. Cl minus is replaced by tertiary butoxide. We got ether. It means we got clarity. I will write out in capital letters. Tertiary alkyl halide changes to alkyl. Primary alkyl halide. Sodium alkoxide, we get ethers. This reaction, Rex plus Rona gives ROR, is called Williamson synthesis. Williamson's synthesis. What is Williamson synthesis? Any alkyl halide reacting with sodium alkoxide to give ether. But can I take tertiary alkyl halide? No, no, no. If I take tertiary alkyl halide, I get alkane. So I should take only primary alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide. I should not take tertiary alkyl halide. You make. Are you very clear about it, sir? Please copy down.
Sir.
You have to invest time, sir, because one question is very valuable. Don't worry. Slowly, we are not in hurry. So first I have shown you, if you take a bulky base to a tertiary alkyl halide, it won't bother to replace the Br minus. It will come to terminal carbon where hydrogen is readily available, takes away H plus, and it will become a carbanion. Carbanion will make a double bond. So tertiary butyl bromide with sodium methoxide gives isobutene. A powerful basis means sodium alkoxide, sodium tertiary butoxide, all alkoxides are all powerful bases. The sodium tertiary butoxide is also represented as C4H9. Always tertiary alkyl halides prefer elimination. Our next slide. This is what happens when a tertiary alkyl halide reacts with sodium methoxide. We have shown a comparison. Tertiary alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. Primary alkyl halide and sodium tertiary butoxide. First case, there will be elimination. Tertiary alkyl halide elimination. Second case, primary alkyl halide substitution. That's very important. Thank you very much for understanding this. This is a question we have looked at in detail.
Excuse me, sir.
This is question number in this. This is the question. Yes, sir. What is your doubt?
Sir, what is our portion of this week, sir?
100 times I told I have written also. Only halogen derivatives, complete lesson. If you do
Sorry,
these
sir. Sorry, sir.
assignments, you get 100% score. If you have guts, you do them. I have given you 2 assignments. You do them many times. You try to understand them. Don't by heart them. No. Try to understand what they are trying to say. This is a question he is trying to take. Tertiary butyl chloride on reaction sodium hydroxide gives what? What did it gives?
Isobutyl.
Because tertiary alkyl halides always under the elimination. You get an alkane. Only D is alkane. A is a alkane, you won't get. B is a ether, that is substitution product, you won't get. Sodium tertiary butoxide. Sodium tertiary butoxide can never form. Can you see it, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go to the next question. Benzene reacts with N-propyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Sir, what is this reaction, sir? Benzene. What are the characteristic reactions of benzene? What are the reactions of benzene?
Sir,
Aromatic,
aromatic.
electrophilic substitution.
Yes, sir.
It means H plus of a benzene can be replaced by some other plus. What is this reaction, sir? What is this
Sir,
reaction?
nitration.
To bring about nitration, you are taking a mixture of sulfuric acid and nitric acid called nitration mixture. Why are you taking that mixture? This is your sulfuric acid. H2SO4 can be seen as H plus HSO4 minus. It is a very powerful acid. It gives H plus to anybody and everybody. Our nitric acid is also an acid, but in presence of sulfuric acid, it behaves strangely. It takes H plus from your sulfuric acid. OH minus takes away H plus, because OH minus is going, you are getting NO2 plus. So in presence of sulfuric acid, nitric acid is actually taking H plus. It means nitric acid is actually behaving like a base. It is giving NO2 plus. Are we very clear? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, nitric acid behaves this, takes Are you very clear, sir? The NO2 plus replaces H plus. It brings about electrophile. It brings about Are you very keen on this idea?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this particular reaction where benzene is reacting with nitration mixture to give nitrobenzene is called aromatic electrophilic substitution. If I am reacting with the chlorine in presence of aluminum chloride at 25 degrees centigrade, the Cl plus is formed that replaces it. It is called Friedel-Crafts chlorination. Do you remember it, sir? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if I am reacting with methyl chloride in presence of LCl, I am with
Toluene.
methyl group. What is this called, sir?
Toluene.
Friedel-Crafts alkylation. What is it?
Friedel-Crafts alkyl.
If I take CH3COCl, put aluminum chloride, COCH3 lignocide. What is this reaction called, sir? On benzene, if you are putting COCH, what is this reaction?
Acylation. Friedel-Crafts.
Friedel-Crafts acylation. In all these reactions, H plus is replaced by some other E plus. Such reactions are given by aryl halides. In aryl halides, like chlorobenzene, the hydrogen present on benzene in second position and fourth position, in ortho position and para position, is replaced by other plus groups. See, this reaction is called electrophilic substitution. Sir, if I am looking at benzene and chlorobenzene, 1 and 2, who will undergo electrophilic substitution in a better way means benzene is undergoing electrophilic substitution better than chlorobenzene. Because the chloro is an electron withdrawing group. It will siphon the electrons out through resonance. So chlorobenzene is less reactive. Benzene or chlorobenzene, which is more reactive? Chlorobenzene is less reactive. Less reactive for what? Replacing its H plus of benzene with other plus. So chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, halobenzenes, aryl halides, they are less reactive than benzene because the halogen is more electronegative, take out the electrons. Chlorobenzene is very less reactive. However, we can increase the reactivity of chlorobenzene for nitration by putting some other electron withdrawing groups. By putting some other electron withdrawing groups. Sir, our question. Let us go to the fundamental question, sir. Let us take time slowly. We go very slowly. What is this question, sir? Benzene reacts with N-propyl chloride in presence of anhydrous CH3. This is what we are going to discuss. Do you have time, sir? Can we look at it, sir, please?
Yes, sir. 5
So
minutes.
11th class portion we are revising. Ladies and gentlemen, it's very important. We have to discuss. Not there in the book. So, this is benzene. If you are reacting with ethyl chloride, you are adding AlCl3. The Lewis acid, AlCl3 is a beggar of electrons. Take Cl minus from alkyl halide. So it is generating a ethyl carbocation and AlCl. Always AlCl3 or any other Lewis acid will take away X minus and generate a carbocation. First step is formation of carbocation. And this carbocation would attack on any one of the carbons on benzene. Here there is a hydrogen. Here the ethyl group came with a positive charge. When the ethyl group has positive charge, the bond connecting 1 and 2 so you are getting hydrogen there. CH2CH3. Ladies and gentlemen, because the pi bond has gone connecting 1 and 2 has gone to carbon and 1, second gets plus charge. When the second valence is getting plus charge, what happens? The hydrogen will go out as H plus. Notice that from where you got ethyl carbocation, the ethyl chloride reacted with AlCl3. Whenever you are using a Lewis acid, the Lewis acid reacts with alkyl halide to give a carbocation. The carbocation would attack on benzene and loses H plus to give alkyl benzene. This is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. What is Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Answer. Friedel-Crafts alkylation means the alkyl halide reacts with aluminum chloride to give alkyl carbocation. The alkyl carbocation attacks benzene to give alkyl benzene. In this reaction, carbocation replaces H plus of benzene. Are you very clear? I made this. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Why same question somebody is asking? Please don't prepare from any PDF for any exam. Read the NCERT book thoroughly. Get the concepts thoroughly. Do the assignment. I have sent this. You have taken screenshot. You have taken screenshot of this, I think. I asked you to take. Now again, who will tell you all the concepts? This I wanted you to take and practice these questions. These questions are having questions and also answers, hints and solutions. This I have taken from a book called G Mains Chemistry M Mathematics Teaching Group. This book the college is planning to, maybe I don't know, I'm not very sure. The college may make this book available in their office. It is not a very excellent book, but it has good questions. I am trying to give you a concept. You are getting disturbed, asking me same statement again and again and again. Give a pause, stop for a minute. Just stop. Just don't think anything. Just look at this. Simple. Very simple. I'll make it very simple. Very simple. This idea is very important. Are we ready to take new idea? Forget about everything else. Now don't ask me anything. Just look at this. Take a deep breath. Release the air through mouth slowly. Take a deep breath. Release the air through mouth slowly. What I am talking, sir?
Sir, Friedel-Crafts alkylation.
Alkyl halide